So this is unboxing for this Pelonis 16in stand with remote. As listed on the box, this fan features 3-speed settings, a 7-hour timer, wide angle oscillation, an easy to read LED, adjustable height, and a multi-function remote control. Equipment list: a utility knife, a starhead screwdriver, a pair of gloves, and 2 AAA batteries for the remote control. So here on the table is everything that came in the box. Okay, so the next step is to remove all the packaging and everything that we don't need and put it in the box. They're non-basic parts for assembly: the pole, the motor, the fan blade, the user manual, the base, the rear grille, the front grille, which has a Pelonis name on it, remote control, and remote control holder. At the bottom of the pole is this right angle bolt. So turn it counterclockwise to loosen it and take it off. So now on the bottom of the pole, you have these 2 notches right here and the hole for the right angle bolt. And these 2 notches line up with these 2 notches right here on the base. Note that there's also a hole in the middle of the base for the right angle bolt. Now take the pole and place it on the base and then turn them on the side. And it's a bit tricky. Then insert the right angle bolt through the base hole from the bottom and then turn it clockwise to tighten. When you complete tightening the right angle bolt, stand them upright. So here you have the pole, then you have the stem, then you have this height adjustment key where counterclockwise loosens it and clockwise tightens it. So use this key, the height adjustment key, to adjust the height of the stem. So now on the back of the motor you have this tightening knob, which the manual calls it a tightening knob, but it's actually just a screw. So use the screwdriver to turn it counterclockwise to loosen it. And then place the motor on top of the stem. Then use your screwdriver to tighten it by turning the screw clockwise. Now we're going to move the blade cap nut by turning it clockwise. You hold the shaft right here and turn it clockwise. Now remove the grill cap nut by turning it counterclockwise. Okay, now we're going to insert the rear grille. Make sure that this teardrop, this teardrop is oriented on the bottom. So now insert and tighten the grill nut. To the shaft by turning it clockwise. Next, attach the fan blade to the motor shaft. Let's attach the blade cap nut. Rotate it counterclockwise to tighten. Now attach the front grille. Now attach the remote control holder. And remember to insert 2 AAA batteries into the remote control. So both the LED display and the remote control have the exact same control buttons, even though they look a little bit differently. On the LED display you have the speed button, which is right here in the remote control. The timer button is right here on the remote control, and the on and off button is right here on the remote control. So the basic controls on the LED display: first you have the on and off button, which turns the fan on and off. You press it once for on, it turns the fan on. You press it again, and it turns the fan off. Next you have the timer button, and you can set the timer for up to a total of 7 hours. So just going to turn it on. So if you press the timer button once, you get 1 hour. Press it again, that's 2 hours. Press again, it's 3 hours. And what the LED display does is show that it's adding the 2 and the 1 for a total of 3 hours. It just adds up the time. Press again for 4 hours. Press again for 5 hours. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Press again for 6 hours. 4 plus 2 equals 6. And if you press it again, you get 7 hours. 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7 hours. And if you press again, it turns the timer off. And the fan has a total of 3 different speeds, and that's at the lowest speed. Press again, it goes to the next higher speed, a little bit faster. Press it again, it goes to the fastest speed. And press once again, it just recycles and goes back to the lowest speed. And those are the basic fan functions. I bought this fan as a replacement for my unfixable office fan, and it's a very quiet and powerful fan that efficiently circulates air throughout my little office, and I'm very pleased with its performance so far. So if you're looking for a reasonably priced room fan with remote control, I recommend this Pelonis 16-inch stand fan with remote. If you found this information helpful, please show support for future presentations by leaving a like and subscribing to this channel. Thank you.